Hello guys, it's me, Yuki Inspin, and well, ang masasabi ko lang is Merry Christmas and Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. So, yeah, I don't know, we're at like, medyo hirap sabihin. Pero I could actually not doing it without you guys, and siguro me being lang talaga. Hindi naman gano'n, hindi naman ako baguhan sa like dati na talaga, but ngayon ang dami kong pinaplano ngayon sa para sa 2024 and so let's make 2024 a good year, shall we? So, dit for me at the dog house, masasabi ko lang sa inyo guys ay Merry Christmas sa inyo and Happy New Year. And of course, iba lang dyan is Happy Holidays sa inyong lahat. So, yeah.